Hello lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing this lovely face, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscribers, thumbs up to you. I am teacher Chinyere. I teach how to read and write. I make it fun. If you follow my channel, you will be able to read and write in no distant time. So today we are going to talk about the vowel sounds. In the alphabet, we have the vowel sounds. I also have the consonants. So we're going to talk about the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds. In the English alphabet, there are 5 vowel sounds. It can come in 2 forms. The first one is the short vowel sounds. The short vowel sounds and the long vowel sounds. The short vowel sounds are those sounds that goes like this. Ah, you sound it. You sound these short vowel sounds, while the long vowel sound, you name it. Now, let's see how to pronounce it and how to sound it. Let's dive in. Apple. Egg. Ink. On. Umbrella. Ape. Eagle. Ice cream. Orange. Unicorn. Uniform. You sound this, you name this. It is not difficult. It's so simple. Let's make a song out of it. To make sound out of this short sound, make a song out of the long sound. There are 5 vowel sounds. 5 vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O. 5 vowel sounds. 5 vowel sounds. 5 vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O. 5 vowel sounds. There are 5 vowel letters. 5 vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowel letters. There are 5 vowel letters. There are 5 vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowel letters. I believe you enjoyed that. Just try to practice the song. You will understand it and get perfect. Practice makes perfect. We have 21 consonant letters, which are B, K, D, G, H, J, K, L, N, R, S, T, V, X, Y, Z. Let's take it again. B. Say after me. B. K. Repeat after me. K. D. Repeat after me. D. Repeat after me. Good. G. Repeat after me. G. Again. G. Good. Repeat after me. Very good. J. Repeat after me. J. Repeat after me. J. Are you following me? I believe you do. Also, K. Repeat after me. K. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Good job, you. Repeat after me. Very good. Repeat after me. Good job, you. Repeat after me. Very good. Repeat after me. Good. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Great. Repeat after me. That's good. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Very good. I believe you are catching up. I believe you are learning so fast. Please give Teacher Chinyere a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments for me and share. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye for now.